What is the minimum genset loading? How is it linked to Solar DG Synchronization? In this video, we will be covering a major requirement expected from any PV genset controller, which is to ensure minimum load on generators specified by generator's manufacturer. Hi, I'm Shaf Ali from ICSS Engineering. We specialize in solar SCADA and control systems required for safe and productive integration of grid-tied renewable solar energy in existing power infrastructures of industrial and commercial applications. It is critical to realize that generator sets are built to operate, and more specifically to operate under load. Although it may seem unimportant, properly loading a generator set is crucial for availability, wholesome engine running, and extended engine life. While continuous rated generators are optimal between 60 and 90% load, usually generators are designed to operate between 30 and 80% of their rated load. Independent of use and rating, natural gas and biogas generator sets are intended to operate between 70 and 95% of their rated capacity. For combustion engines like diesel generators or gas generators, the designers anticipate a certain range of load on a genset in order to achieve the best possible blend of generator's performance, electromechanical reliability and integrity. Manufacturer service intervals and predicted component life are defined on the nominal operating ranges just discussed. Running generators on low or no load can have range of results that can lead to problems from inefficient running to serious damage or even collateral failure. If generator is running, its minimum genset loading set point must always be ensured by controlling generation of grid-tied solar inverters. For a number of generators installed on site, the minimum genset loading set points are usually different. For gas generators and diesel generators, minimum generator loading set points are also different. PV Genset controller knows which generator sets are on load and injects solar accordingly so that they don't get underloaded.
We have and will be covering more topics related to PV microgrid design, PV Genset controllers and solar SCADA monitoring. Check out this video's description for the links. You can browse this YouTube channel for PV Genset hybrid projects based on Energy PK PV diesel controller. You can also visit our website www.icssww.com for details. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. We are glad to offer much required solar operation and maintenance SCADA system called PV SCADA Max. PV SCADA Max is a complete O&M SCADA solution for medium, large or very large scale PV solar integration projects. Salient features of PV SCADA Max are high level of scalability from 100 kilowatt to multiple gigawatts, real-time monitoring of each grid-tied solar inverter and its respective strings, real-time alerts and alarm logs in case of any alarms on inverters, real-time monitoring of energy mix between various sources, for example grid, solar and generators against weather data, transparency of energy generation and consumption reporting, historical trending of parameters, integration of data from third-party SCADA control equipment or process-sensitive instruments, fact-based data for root cause analysis. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. Thank you for your time. Thank you.